The bottom of that main beam is rotting about 1/2 inch in from a wood rotting mold. That's that brown stuff right there. You can see the root structure. The bottom of these joists are covered with that same mold. The other side of the crawl space already had a lot of this wood replaced because of the mold. 2 vapor barriers. There should only be 1. Now I peeled this back. I'm looking to see how much moisture is on the underside of that vapor barrier. Quite a bit. You can see it dripping down there. That's why we need a really good vapor barrier. And that's why we seal everything with tape when we do our encapsulations. Ah, there's a little sprout.